Alright, let's go. Let's go. Oh. Ooh, we can record this guy. Because he can't see these tinted windows. He doesn't know what we're doing.
We're getting clean.
Ooh, we're going to do a little business deal right here.
How are you?
Good, good. Thank you.
Give me $10. How much is this wash?
Super Wheel y Emerald Tire.
How much? Emerald
Super-
tire?
Yes.
How much?
Super Wheel $8, Emerald Tire $2 extra, $10. It's good?
Give me the $8 one.
Okay.
All right?
Un regular
Yeah.
y Emerald.
Thank you.
Okay, cariño, no everything. Thank you, Gary.
What did he say?
I can't say one more he said.
Me no hablo español. Sí, sí.
So now we're getting soap.
Oh,
As you can see.
Oh. Memphis.
Did you get hit in the face with that? No. If it blew through the window.
Oh. Man, I remember whenever we used to go to the car wash as little kids. Whoa, whoa. Whenever we used to go to the car wash as little kids. I'm trying to commentate here. Used to go as little kids. Remember, Mom? We used to go to the car wash as little kids. Like during the summer, all throughout the summer, and then the whatchamacallit.
Now we're going into the machine.
They support breast cancer in America, but they're all Spanish. Oh, here we go. This thing is closed, right? Remember to close the top, right?
Oh my goodness! It's so loud.
Cleaning the backside. Then this is gonna clean this window. Doesn't this make you claustrophobic? Yeah, I said that about 2 minutes ago. Oh, here's the best part, the dryers.
Now we're getting dried out.
And there's still soap all over the car. And now we get the drying services.
Oh, here we go.
We also mow your lawn.
Come the guys again. Here's Pablo.
Pedro, here's Pedro on the left side, and we got Pablo on the right.
You look straight at
Dry.
me. You look like you
Go.
was, in a bad mood.
Drying, we're drying, we're drying. Oh, look, now they speak in Spanish. Oh, they're screaming in Spanish.
Whoa.
Oh, hello there, Pedro. Pedro, sí, sí, sí.
Now we're leaving.
Indicate what kind of car.
Well, guys, this is a random video. Night at the car wash.
Now we're all squeaky clean.
Not really.
Better than what it was.
Well, I guess.
Bring it on.
See signs, squeaky clean
Yeah.
car wash.